Happy French Toast Day! I'm going to teach you quickly how to make French toast. First thing you need to do, look cute with some toast earrings or a French toast shirt. Is this racist? I hope it's not. Alright, you're going to need a few things. Cute little pan. This one's square because it's easier, but whatever. Spatula, some spray of butter, some bread, a bowl that we're going to mix some eggs with, a little bit of milk. If you want to have it sort of spicy or you want a bit more savory, you can get some herbs. I always add paprika to everything. Someone once told me to put tomato sauce on their French toast, and it's actually delicious. But you can also add chutney, but I ran out of chutney. If you want to make a sweet one, you get some golden syrup or some honey. First things first, spray your pan. We're gonna crack these eggs. Let's see if I can do it one-handed. Oh, I'm a chef. These are small eggs, so you could do one normal sort of sized. Oh no, did I get some shell? Or is that just egg goo? If you get some shell in there, it's actually easier to get it out with the remnants of your shell. Oop, says me who drops it. It's like it wants to go back home or something. Alright, then we're going to mix in a dab of milk. Not too much, because then it cooks all weird. And you just mix it up a little. Alright. Add some of the herbs. This is just a general mix, you know. Usually I like to add sage, but I didn't have it pre-prepared. Some paprika, because why not? Give it a little mix again. Then chuck one of the pieces, preferably stale bread. That's the easiest to deal with. But we're just going to let it soak for a minute. I squidge it down to help. And while this is happening, I try to get my weird stove to work. Oh my god, it works. I can go. So we're just heating that up for a little second. Then while that's going, we're gonna flip this. Oh yeah. Alright, now, it's gonna be hard doing this one-handed. We're gonna try put this bread in this pan. Woo! There we go. And while that's just sitting there, we're quickly gonna put the rest of our bread in the eggy goo. Not much in there left. There we go. We're leaving this one to soak while we just move this a little so it doesn't get too stuck. So I have this sort of on a middle heat. If you want to see what that looks like for the pan. You know, you don't want the flames going over. Just listen to the sound when it starts to get a little bubbly like this. It's when the outsides are starting to cook, so you can probably flip it a little. There you go, see the difference already? Now let's check on our other piece of bread. Looking good, absorbed it all, I think. Now let's chuck this baby next to this one. Yeah. Rinse this stuff. Just want to keep an eye and an ear open for these. Little bubbly. You want it a little golden brownish. You know, it's going to be squidgy. Not hard like toast. But cook it to your desired amount. You can notice it's getting real fat now too, which is good. So all that liquidy egg is solidifying in there. See how thick that is? This one's falling apart a little because I had fresh bread. Oh, first world problems. Okay. So it's starting to get a little golden brown now. There we go. Right, good enough. Doesn't look like much. I'm not doing a good job at making it that pretty. But then you flip it on your plate. Now you could make it super cute like I usually do and cut it up that way, diagonally. Chuck on some ice cream, some berries, you know. Sprinkle with cinnamon, but because I'm showing you two different ways, slather on tomato sauce. I know, super Australian and weird. But then the other one, just douse it in a bit of honey or golden syrup. Whoops, I got some crossover there. But you know me, babe, I don't mind. And that's it! You know, smear it a bit. Cut off a piece. Oh yeah. And that's it. Excuse my bad manners for eating with my mouth full. Eating with my mouth full? Talking with my mouth full. But it's super delicious. This one doesn't look that great, but this is just a little, 5-minute video, whatever. Sharing the joy of French Toast Day. Have a lovely November 28th, everybody. Have some French toast.